on my head, so it ain't going nowhere and whatever.
These lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek. Please don't get me hype.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little minute since I've been recording and all that good stuff, but we're gonna get into a life update another time. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me and we're gonna talk about it. But I did this install for you guys on this unit that I actually got years ago. I was supposed to do a review on this unit. I never did it, so let's not dwell on the negative. And let's talk about this install, y'all. So this install was very easy to do. I'm gonna be honest, when it comes to the lace, I feel like I need to do better with tinting. So don't get too close, okay? I just feel like I need a better lace tint for my lace. I feel like I have not found a color that matches me yet. So I used the Bold Hold Liquid, and I also used the Hold Me Down Adhesive by Arrogant Tae. So I'm bringing you guys this install. I wanted to do something a little bit more permanent because, you know, it's giving me a wash and go vibe. So I said, let me just actually glue it down. Before we get into this video, subscribe to my channel. Come join the Emmy gang. You already know what's lit on this side. But we're gonna get right into this video, you guys. All right, so we're gonna get straight into this. I got a wig cap. I got this from my local beauty supply store. Come to for $1. And I got this tinted lace spray that I got from the beauty supply as well. I kind of upgraded. I made this video a while ago, and I use the Bold Hold lace tint now. So I suggest you guys get that. But I'm using a nylon stocking, and this is the best way to get the most boldest cap possible, because it's very sheer and it's stretchy and flexible. So I'm just putting that on and just sliding that back and making sure that there's 2 holes on the top so I could put it on just like this. And I'm cutting my holes in my ears to, you know, lay this cap down. And I have a video on how I do the board cap method, so I'm gonna put the link so you can see step for step how to do that. So I use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold to apply my caps underneath my wigs because it is easy on the edges. Let me tell you, this is the truth, y'all. Okay. I like using this product on my edges because you can take it off with only water. You don't need to have all that glue and you know, extra adhesive and pulling on your edges. I don't really need a blow dryer for this product, but I use my blow dryer, so speed up the process. You want this to be very dry. And I'm just cutting off the excess. So this is the wig. It's a curly wig. It's cute. It's a little bob, and it's cute when it's all done up. But for right now, we're concentrating on this install. So I'm going to line up where I'm going to lay my lace and everything, making sure that it's a natural looking hairline. I got a big forehead, so I can kind of play with it a little bit. And I'm using alcohol to take off the residue of my forehead, make sure that I have a clean slate. And I'm using the Hold Me Down Adhesive by Arrogant Tae. And as you guys know, Arrogant Tae uses this. And I like this adhesive because it keeps my wig in place. So I'm going in with my first layer, and I'm just putting that all over my hairline and at my tabs by my ears. And I'm just gonna spread that product and make sure that it's all evenly one coat. So I'm going in on the other side, and I'm going to also spread that to make sure it's all even. And then I'm going in with my second layer. And I'm only using 2 layers. And that's what I like about this product, is that I don't need a bunch of glue. I don't need to use too many layers. And I also don't need a blow dryer to dry it. So I'm laying down the wig, and I'm going to line it up exactly where the glue starts. And I'm going to lay it down and make sure that it is nice and flat. I'm making sure that there's no hair, baby hairs in the way, and I'm just making sure that it's just perfect. So I'm going to apply the glue on both sides, and I'm going to repeat those steps of making sure that it's an even coat. Bringing the wig forward, and I'm applying the wig right where the glue starts. And you want to make sure you put the wig down when your adhesive is clear. You never want to put it down when it's white because it will show through your lace, and that means it's not ready, mamas. So you just want to be patient when putting your wigs on because you want it to be seamless as you can make it. Practice does make perfect, so the more you practice, the better you will get at it, and you will figure out what tools you need and things you need for the perfect install. So just keep going and keep practicing. So I'm taking my comb and I am using the teeth to lay down the wig. The teeth in the back of the comb to lay down the wig into my scalp. You want to make sure that the edges of your wig is laid down flat because you definitely don't want to have any of your lace rolling back or sticking up. And if it doesn't lay down, then you always can clip that. You can always cut it and make sure that it's seamless. So I'm just cleaning up the excess glue off my forehead and whatever product is there. And I'm taking out the baby hairs that I'm going to use to give me a cute little style. Comment below if you like baby hairs. Some people do not like baby hairs, but I kind of love baby hairs. I kind of like a little bit of both. I could do baby hairs and then a little bit of my hairline to be just natural. So it doesn't need to be like swooped out. So I'm using an O2 brush and my Wrap and Roll Mousse by Jane Carter. And I'm just putting that all over my hairline. I'm just giving myself some baby hairs. Just doing the best that I can. Trying to make them as cute as I can and neat and everything. Not making them too thick, not too crazy. Just cute. And I'm going to lay those down, get my hairline all melted and everything, even more melted. And this is the finished look. Alright, so I'm filling the install. You already know. It's cute or whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Of course, let them know about your girl.